about the prom?
What?
You tell me about the prom?
What's that from?
How was it?
Awesome.
Yeah, cool.
Can we keep Oliver?
Yeah. You think Charity will like him?
They're gonna be boyfriend and girlfriend. Are you sure I have lips?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Here, check.
Yep.
Are they there?
Yeah.
Can we follow the yellow brick road out of here?
Mm-hmm. Not yet.
Gotta get to the Emerald City. So we can talk to the man to bring me home. Where is he at?
I don't know. Do you have directions for that?
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow, 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 follow the yellow brick road. We're off to see Rebecca to get me out of here. That's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
And we need little people.
I'm little.
Yeah, you're little. And you have 4 eyes. And we have Oliver the cat.
Mm-hmm. We're set. He could be for Toto.
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do when you get home?
Watch Fire Nemo. Make sure my lips are still on, because I don't have no lips.
Honey, I got a picture of your lips.
My face feels like it's gonna explode.
He was impatient now. I don't know how he got stuck in there.
You know, Finding Nemo was like, don't touch the butt. Don't touch the butt. He did it, and he got in trouble for it. Now it's like, don't touch the balloons. Don't touch the balloons. But they all went away. Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
My face feels like a huge bomb.
I know, it's like all purple.
Purple?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's my favorite color. And it's gonna explode.
Not yet.
But it will. I'm waiting.
Mm-hmm.
But I want to take Ellen Jenner's dinner. I don't want Portia to get mad.
Wow. How you gonna work that
I
out?
don't know what to do.
Oh. Why don't you invite them both?
Okay.
What are you gonna cook?
I can cook Olive Garden. If they like Olive Garden, that's where we'll go. I can cook a mean grilled cheese.
A girl cheese?
Grilled cheese. I can cook a mean one.
That's what you're gonna have for dinner? You're gonna invite her over and have that for dinner?
Yeah, we're gonna go out to lunch. And we're gonna have Olive Garden and grilled cheese.
Looks like you have a smoky puff.
Snooky?
Mm-hmm.
Snooky.
Puff.
From the Jersey Shore?
Mm-hmm.
The Jersey Shore?
Mm-hmm.
Ouch! My hair stuck in the door. Be as tan as I can.
What else do they...
You pump your fist.
Oh.
Pump, 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 pump. You're pumping gas. Like that.
Mhm.
Yep.
Who do you like on there? Do you like any of them boys?
No.
Okay.
They're all Guidos.
Ooh.
They're fake. Duh.
Oh, wonder who that is.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Should I answer the door?
Brian Sheckler.
Yeah.
To the door? To the door! It's Brian Sheckler to the
It's not
door.
my house.
Is Brian Sheckler at the door?
I don't know.
Can you get it?
It's not my house.
Can you get the door?
Hold on. Stay laying down.
Okay, alright. I'll be here. Let's get the door. Please. So I can sing him a song.
Say something to Katie,
Katie who?
your cousin.
What about her?
She's waiting to hear from you.
Katie?
Uh-huh.
Down south, Katie?
Mhm.
Howdy, Katie. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.